Whenever we see penguins, we think of them as these adorable, friendly birds that loves to have fun and slide around. But are they friendly? Well, when it comes to humans, since they are not used to seeing us around and cause they don't have any land predators, they aren't afraid of us. But at the same time, they do not show any sign of emotional connections towards humans. Whenever penguins do notice us, they mostly just observe. Chicks, however, tend to be more curious and wouldn't mind taking a closer look or even inspecting us humans. Now, penguins among each others are complete social butterflies. They are the most social of all birds. They swim, feed, hunt, and breed in groups. In fact, when it comes to breeding, they gather in colonies of hundreds of thousands at a time. And not just that, penguins are known for their strong and loyal bond. When a penguin finds its mate, they sing to their partner and dance of excitement, and they stay together forever. The male and female penguins as well share the duties of taking care of their offspring. Seems like penguins are perfect loving birds, doesn't it? But a closer look reveals that they have a dark side. If a female emperor penguin baby dies, she will often kidnap an unrelated chick and raise that chick as her own instead. Seems like they desire a complete family, whether it's their own chick or a stolen one. What do you think about penguins? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned.